Whoa, it's huge! A world of groceries awaits. Captain Lila ready!
Navigator Mom ready.
Why are the apples so shiny?
They polish them so they look fresh.
These apples are green.
Those are a sour variety.
These bananas are very yellow.
That means they're perfectly ripe.
Can we buy strawberries?
Let's check if they're fresh.
Why are grapes so expensive?
Sometimes they're out of season.
These lemons smell fresh.
Citrus always smells nice.
Why are there so many kinds of bread?
Because everyone likes different types.
I like the smell of fresh bread.
The bakery section smells wonderful.
Mom, I like colorful cereal boxes.
They're designed to catch your eye.
Mom, can we get the chocolate cereal?
Only if you promise to eat it and not just the marshmallows.
I promise! Can we try a new cereal?
A small box is okay.
Mom, I see cookies.
I knew you'd notice them.
This cheese smells funny.
Some cheeses are supposed to smell strong.
Mom, look at those cupcakes.
They do look tempting.
Why do you check every egg carton?
To make sure none are cracked.
Why are eggs so fragile?
Because their shells are thin.
I found peanut butter.
Great, now grab jelly.
Mom, there are free samples.
Go ahead and try one.
This cookie sample is delicious.
Let's buy some.
Can we get yogurt?
Yes, pick your favorite flavor.
I see colorful candy.
Candy is not on the list.
Do we need milk today?
Yes, we finished it this morning.
Can we get ice cream today?
Maybe if we finish the vegetables.
Can we get orange juice?
Yes, the one without extra sugar.
The freezer section is cold.
That's how frozen food stays frozen.
Should we buy frozen pizza?
For an easy dinner, yes.
Can we buy popcorn for movie night?
That's a good idea.
These carrots are tiny.
Those are baby carrots.
Look at these giant pumpkins.
They're great for cooking.
Mom, someone dropped a tomato.
Let's put it back carefully.
Okay. Mom, can I help unload the cart?
Yes, please.
Should I put the bread last?
Exactly, so it doesn't get squished.
Mom, the cashier is fast.
That's impressive.
I'll help pack the groceries.
Thank you.
Can I hand the money? Sure. Mom, I had fun shopping.
Me too.
Mom, can we come again next week?
Of course.
Please subscribe to this channel.
Also like this video.